Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the Enlynn Disposable Ruffled Round-Shaped Non-Stick Paper Baking Cups. The best welcome home baking cups you'll ever find. If you're into baking and love making mini treats or desserts, these baking cups are a must-have. These 3.5-inch paper baking cups come in a pack of 100, giving you plenty for all your baking projects. Whether you're preparing mini cakes, quiches, pastries, or even bread, these cups have you covered. Their sturdy, freestanding design makes them perfect for any occasion. You can even use them for mini tartlets or your favorite sweet snacks. They hold their shape perfectly, so you don't have to worry about them collapsing during baking. One of the best features of these cups is their non-stick surface. No more struggling to remove baked goods from your liners. Your cakes, pastries, and cupcakes will pop right out, leaving behind no mess. These baking cups are safe for use in the oven, refrigerator, and even the freezer, giving you flexibility no matter what kind of baking you're doing. After you're done, just toss them away. They're disposable, so you can skip the cleanup. The material of the Enlynn baking cups is food-grade paper with a coating inside to prevent sticking, making them both durable and safe. The cups come in two colors, white and brown, so you can choose based on your preference or the theme of your event. The best part is that they're perfect for parties, gatherings, or even as a cute gift idea for friends and family who love baked goods. Overall, the Enlynn Disposable Ruffled Round-Shaped Non-Stick Paper Baking Cups are a great addition to your baking supplies. With their high-quality, non-stick design, you can easily bake and serve your delicious creations without the hassle. If you're looking for the perfect baking cup that combines convenience, functionality, and style, these are the ones to go for. So, next time you're preparing something sweet, make sure to try out these fantastic baking cups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products, right here on Product Critique.